Here at Original Parts Group, we primarily focus in between the 50s and the 80s in General Motors vehicles. Our bread and butter is the A-body from 64 to 72, which is your Chevelle, El Camino, GTO, Cutlass, Skylark, restoration and performance products. So the car's a 66 GTO. Turned it from a Le Mans into a GTO, which involves some body modifications and a few other things. It's been completely disassembled, every nut bolt fully blasted down to metal, and a lot of metal panels have been replaced and repaired. The idea is really to showcase the products that we offer. The color on this car is called Marina Turquoise. It's a factory color for 66 Pontiac. We chose this color because it's different. I couldn't be more pleased with it. Got a brand new GM Crate LS3 engine under the hood here. That's backed by a 4L65E transmission, and it's all modern drivetrain. This is a 430 horse crate motor. It's going to give us plenty of power and still maintain that 17, 18 miles per gallon fuel economy. For wheels on this car, we wanted to, again, maintain sort of a factory vibe with these. Billet aluminum Rallye II wheels. Still a factory wheel, 17/8s in the front, 17/9s in the back. The interior in the car, from a glance, looks like a factory interior. Got these custom seats that are bolstered on the sides and the back to kind of help lock you in place. More of a performance upgrade there. But they've got factory upholstery on them, so the pattern gives you that effect of the factory appearance, the factory seat. Steering wheel from GT Performance. It's a stock appearing wood wheel with the Pontiac logo in the center. Nice polished aluminum center. Flaming River steering column. It's a tilt steering column, so it's going to give you the additional room up and down. All the factory wood grain, dash pad, all the right knobs, the stereo stock appearing, and then the gauges. They look like they belong in there from the car, but they're modern. You know, we make a handful of parts on this car. Headlight bezels for these we've made for a number of years. Nose emblem, a lot of the wheel opening trim on the side, rocker moldings, mirrors, moldings around the windshield is a combination of the performance and restoration side of things. To be part of the Battle of the Builders, it's really a big honor for me. These cars that are out there are some of the best cars being built today. It's quite a field when you stand back and look at everyone involved. To me, I feel that Battle of the Builders, it's a good thing to show what you can do at any level, whether you've got the giant facility and the crew to put together something top-notch, or if it's just a few guys like in a garage putting something together and they're still bringing something top-notch to the table.